Marhaba, this is Razan. Arabic phrases number 41. Where were you? وين كنت لهلق؟ Where were you? To a man. وين كنت لهلق؟ وين كنت لهلق؟ To a woman. وين كنتي لهلق؟ وين كنتي لهلق؟ Plural. وين كنتوا لهلق؟ وين كنتوا لهلق؟ You can also say it like this way. To a man. وينك لهلق؟ وينك لهلق؟ To a woman. وينك لهلق؟ وينك لهلق؟ Plural. وينكن لهلق؟ وينكن لهلق؟ Example talking to a man. Where were you? I was worried. وينك لهلق؟ انشغل بالي. وينك لهلق؟ انشغل بالي. The reply is, I was at the cafe. كنت بالقهوة. كنت بالقهوة. Example talking to a woman. Where were you? I was worried. وينك لهلق؟ انشغل بالي. وينك لهلق؟ انشغل بالي. The reply is, I was at the souk. كنت بالسوق. كنت بالسوق. Example talking to plural. Where were you? I was worried. وين كنتوا لهلق؟ انشغل بالي. وين كنتوا لهلق؟ انشغل بالي. The reply is, we were at Razan's house. كنا ببيت رزان. كنا ببيت رزان. Now we will have words literally meaning. Where is وين? You were to a man كنت. To a woman كنتي. Plural كنتو. To or till لا. Now هلأ. Where are you to a man وينك. To a woman وينك. Plural وينكن. To be concerned or worried is انشغل. My mind بالي. I was, whether I was a male or a female, كنت. We were كنا. In the coffee shop بالقهوة. In the souk بالسوق. In Razan's house ببيت رزان. شكرا كتير على المتابعة ويلا باي.